In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A16. The first way is press the power button and the volume lower button at the same time, like this. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The second way is go in notification bar, scroll down, see here if any screenshot option is available or not. As you can see here, no screenshot option is available. Tap on edit the full menu, select the take a screenshot option from here. I will simply long press the take a screenshot option and put it on the first page right here. I will simply tap on done. Let's go back. Again, go in notification bar, scroll down. Now here you can see take a screenshot option is showing. Simply tap on it. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. Now if you want to edit the screenshot, then tap on edit. You can simply crop it. You can use the pencil. For example, I am selecting this one with this color. You can mark around anywhere like this. You can use the eraser to erase the marking. Here you get the share option. You can simply share the screenshot directly from here. And here you get the save option. You can simply save it by tapping on this. Now let's check it out in gallery. As you can see, my crop screenshot is saved. Now the third way to take a screenshot is go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in interaction, tap on assistant menu, tap on this toggle to enable the assistant menu, tap on allow. Now let's go back to the home. As you can see here, assistant menu is enabled. Now if you want to take the screenshot, then simply tap on assistant menu, tap on a screenshot. As you can see, my screenshot is captured. Now if you want to take the long screenshot of any website, for example, let's open any website. Let's take the long screenshot of Wikipedia. I will simply tap on a screenshot. Here you can see scroll down button is showing. Simply tap on it again and again. Now let's check the long screenshot. As you can see here, my long screenshot is saved in my gallery. So this is how you can take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.